Hey, what's up guys, David here from Dignited. Today I have my Chromebook here and I want to test out some of the new AI features that Google has added to the Chromebooks. All right, let's get right into it. All right, so to test out the AI features that I'm going to talk about, you have to update your Chromebook to the latest version. And as of today, which is September 2nd, 2025, the latest version is actually 138. Let's check right here about Chrome OS, and then we have here it's actually 139 right here. So if you don't have the latest version, just click on check for updates and then it should be able to download the latest updates. Yes. Now, what has Google added to Chromebooks as the new AI features? First is Gemini. This was actually the first option that Google added to their Chromebooks. I'm using a Galaxy Chromebook Go right here. It's not even a Chromebook Plus or a high-powered Chromebook. It's really a basic Chromebook. And so this means that it's really available on all Chromebooks. So we have Gemini here, which is Google's ChatGPT version. And you will be able to notice that you have a new icon right here in the taskbar, all right, that you can just launch. If you don't see it, then tap on the launcher right here, okay, and then just search for Gemini, right? It should be able to launch the same thing right there. Yeah, so you have all the cool Gemini features here, and you can choose the model right here by clicking on the top left corner under Gemini, all right, and then the default is 2.5 flash, but you can choose any of the models here. If you want better reasoning, math and code, you have 2.5 Pro. This is new right here, and then you can also upgrade to Google AI Pro. So some of the stuff is free, some of it is not. Yes, there's also an upgrade button here, and then of course you have the new image editing feature, which is really new. You can also try it out thanks to the nano banana model. Yeah, so basically this is the ChatGPT version here. You can choose deep research if you want to do deeper research or anything like that. You can choose image if you want to create AI generated images. You can choose Canva if you want to create documents and even do some coding or guided learning. This is for people who want to do homework, right? The LLM will not just spit out answers, but actually it will guide you through the learning process. So actually did how you can do homework using ChatGPT, so you can check out how to do that. Yeah, so this is one of the AI feature that is available on Chromebooks, Gemini right here. Okay, yes, but of course you can also just go to the web, all right, start up Chrome OS, and then you can just type Gemini, right, .google.com, and it will take you to Gemini right there. Yes, but having the app is very convenient if you want to really check up something. Say, let's see how many calories are in 3 ml bottle, right, of Coke. Let's see what happens here. All right, approximately 129 to 140 calories in a standard bottle of Coke. And this is basically the AI chatbot, okay, that you're used to, and you can use it. Okay, moving on, we now have NotebookLM. This is also new. Yeah, so NotebookLM is a new feature. If you really want to dig into research, yeah, you can use NotebookLM. Here we have featured notebooks here, okay, and you can tap on that, okay, and then just see what research that people have created. And so basically what happens is that it should be able to create audio narrations, it should be able to create PowerPoint presentations, videos, and so forth. So let me just look at, okay, let's see this. One of the notebooks, yes, the world ahead in 2025, right? Yes, so under studio here, you can now just play. Okay, so I want to play the audio version. These are mind maps. There are also videos, but let's see this.
Welcome to the Explainer. You know, as we make our way through 2025, it's turning out to be a year just full of contradictions. So today, we're going to dive into some of the most surprising insights for the year, all based on the fantastic reporting and analysis from The Economist. Yep, everything you're about to hear comes straight from their World Ahead 2025 special issue.
Okay, so I guess you've had the demo there, so you have a little bit of audio coming in and also like a video presentation of the data. Yes, so here you can now select some of the sources where the data is coming from, and you can dig a little bit more. You can go back and see even more sources here. Okay, so this is what NotebookLM is really all about. Yeah, so this is really great if you don't want to read and all that. You just want to listen in to the data or to an article, you know, in a podcast format. This is what this thing is really good at. So let's go back, and you can also create your own notebooks. I actually tried to create my own here. All right, yes. Yeah, so what I did is that I just downloaded this PDF here about SaaS customer acquisition. It's a PDF. Yeah, so I downloaded it and then I added it here, and then it basically, you know, created an audio version of this. So if I played it, it basically just plays all the content from the PDF in a podcast format. So let's hear it and see.
So it stands for top, middle, and bottom of the funnel.
Oh, the funnel. Yeah, I've heard of that.
Right. It's a classic marketing concept.
Yeah, it helps you visualize the customer journey.
Exactly. Like different types of content cater to different stages.
Oh, for sure.
So top of funnel content, that's like your blog posts or infographics, you know.
Right, those target a broad audience.
Exactly. And they focus on general needs.
Yeah, like common pain points.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But as you move down the funnel, the content gets more specific.
More targeted.
Right. Like middle of funnel content. That could be things like webinars or
Yeah, so that was my own custom notebook. I basically, yes, got this, and it was really very interesting. The voices are in natural language, and this is something that I generated, and I just listen in the car when I'm driving, commuting, and so forth, instead of reading this long PDF document. Actually do that. So that is NotebookLM. It's available if you download the latest version of Chrome OS. Yes, and then the last thing that I want to show you is actually Google Lens. Now it's also available. So for example, if you found an image online and you want to know a little bit about it, then you can use Lens to, you know, get more details about it. So let me probably just get this right here. Let's visit this site. And let's assume I don't know these shoes here. So what you want to do is to press the launcher key on your keyboard and then space bar. All right, it should be able to bring this dialog here where you can now drag or press space to select an area to search. So let's drag this and see. Okay, the shoes here. Okay, that didn't work. Let me try another shoes, maybe something clearer. Okay. Okay, so this worked, and you get search results on this model box here that just pops up, and you should be able to tap on whatever result option you think is appropriate. Yes, so it should be able to give you more details about that particular product. Right, yeah, so that is Lens. It's also available on Chromebooks, right? Yeah, and then the other AI feature that is now available is actually you can use facial gestures and head movements to control your notebook with face control. So forget about mouse and keyboard. Apparently you can now use your face to just navigate around your Chromebook, right? This is absolutely mind-blowing. Yes, I haven't tried it yet. This is something I'm trying to investigate and see how it works. I hope it's not a gimmick. I hope it's something that actually works, right? And they're saying you can just go to settings, accessibility, cursor, and touchpad. I don't select face control. So let me try that and see if that really works, right? So settings, let me go to accessibility. It's right here, mouse and keyboard, cursor and touchpad, and then I select face control. Apparently it's here, and then I can just turn it on. Okay, it asks for permissions to use my webcam. All right, let's see what happens here. Okay, it's downloading some files or whatever it is. Yeah, yes, yeah, and then okay, it's actually working. How do I click? Okay. This is interesting. I'm moving my head around, and yes, okay. How do I click though? Do I nod my head? Let's see what they say here. This is interesting. Okay, yeah. I don't know. How do I click? I don't know. Okay, this is something I'm actually just going to learn and see how it works. Let me turn it off for now, but it's interesting that this is a new AI feature that is coming up. I think they're using interesting algorithms to do this. You just move around, and then yeah, you can control your Chromebook by your face. Interesting stuff. Yeah. Right, so you need to update your Chromebook to version 139 to be able to enjoy these AI features. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite AI feature is. What are you using? Is it the more gimmicky face control, or is it the traditional Gemini, which is now all over the place? Is it replacing your ChatGPT, or is it the NotebookLM here, right? Which you can use to do research, and then it creates for you podcasts and video explainers about a particular research topic. What are you using? Let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a like. Okay, subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon to be notified of future videos if you're interested in tech. All right, yes, otherwise, see you guys in the next one.